The next way to migrate your website is using Elementor itself, which you can go to Elementor Tools and then go to Import or Export Kit. It says bundle your whole site or just some of its element to be used for another website. So you can go and say start export. You can use check templates, content, and the site settings and say next. And it even tells you the plugins you should use. So you can select all and say create kit. And after it has created a kit, it says your export is ready and it will save that plugin. Okay. So you keep when you get that thing. So you have the whole website is bundled into 21.6 kilobytes. Let us see what will happen when we migrate it. So you'll come and say, on the other side, you'll have to install Elementor. So it's quite a long process. I have to install, see the Elementor Pro plugin. And then from the Elementor Pro plugin, I can install now the Elementor plugin, which will I will be prompted to do that automatically. Yes, I install it, the Elementor plugin. Then after activating, I'll be taken to this onboarding process. Let me just open my dashboard. Tab. I'll be taken to this onboarding process. I can skip, can say continue with the hello theme. That is just exactly what I want. And I can close that. So I can go to Elementor and say tools. And after going to Elementor tools, I'll say import kit now. We can now import the template kit that I exported. And I can just drag it there. It will give me this prompt, JSON and zip files. I just say continue. And it will tell me exactly what I have. And I say next and say import. So what happens, it will start importing and setting up my kit. It will give me enable unfiltered file upload. You say enable. So it will give me this installation. So where it does content templates and settings, and you're good to go. So I will close that. And if now I go to my elementor.co.ke, let us see what we have. So I know when I go to my posts, I have all my blogs here. If I go to my pages, I have everything there, including my homepage. And there I am. So what I usually don't have are my photos, but every single thing else I have. I realized that if you're from two live servers, two websites, it will take time and it will be editing, it will be migrating your images on the background. Okay, you'll be editing your images on the background based on that other URL. But I think ours is a local server. Don't know if it will actually be able to do it. So that is how now to bundle websites using Elementor. You still get everything. Now you can update, let's say, your photos, everything manually. The other way to do it is using coming to tools and export the native WordPress export. All content which will contain your posts, pages, custom fields, and such things. And you just say download export file. And after downloading an export file, you will get an XML file. XML file, it's a WordPress file that you can just say and keep, get that prompt. Then you'll come to tools, import. This is the WordPress native method of doing. I don't recommend it because I usually don't like it. And You come to import and you come to WordPress and you install this one. So it will install. So it's another way of importing your pages, all these things that you've exported. So you'll run importer, you choose your file, your XML file, and open and say upload file and import. It will tell you if you need to import author or assign post to an existing author. You can, like that, and say download and import file attachment. So post will tell you things that have not been updated. So as you can see, it has not finished importing the media. Says error, error, error. So basically, as you can see, the best way to migrate is just going the manual way, which is sure bet. You have your database, you have your files, you have every single thing marked up.